the results? Underwhelming. What's missing? Listening to your audience. Research shows 70% of customer inquiries on social You spend $5,000 in ads every month, but the results? Underwhelming. What's missing? Listening to your audience. Research shows 70% of customer inquiries on social media go unanswered. Ignored comments lead to lost trust, lower engagement, and reduced sales. Your paid ads are pointless if your audience feels unheard. Imagine two companies. One invests in $5,000 in ads, engages its audience daily, and the other ignores messages. Engagement boosts conversion by 30% on average. Which one wins? Clearly, the one who listens. Here's a solution. A virtual assistant from VAV. They moderate comments and messages, respond quickly to clients, schedule and manage social content, protect your brand reputation. They ensure no message is lost, and your ads deliver maximum ROI. Imagine the peace of mind. Your audience is heard, complaints are resolved immediately, and your team can focus on growth. No more wasted ad spend because your community is in professional hands. At VAV Remote Workers, we don't just provide assistance. Our VAs are carefully vetted, trained, and supported with ongoing coaching. You gain a partner who understands your brand, communicates like a pro, and helps you convert engagement into revenue. And the best part, VAs are affordable. For just $500 per month, you can have daily half-day support, including moderation, email management, and social management. Secure your virtual assistant today and never let your audience go ignored again. Visit VAV RemoteWorkers now. Don't waste another dollar. Invest in engagement, invest in results. Hire your VA today.